Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure the TV and phone are on the same network and the Samsung remote has fresh batteries. This prevents common connection delays. Once done, open the YouTube TV app on the television and on your phone so both are ready to exchange codes. Now press and hold the back and play /pause buttons on your Samsung remote for 3 to 5 seconds to trigger pairing mode. You'll see a blinking light or on-screen prompt that tells you the remote is discoverable and ready for the next step. Once the remote is discoverable, follow the on-screen pairing prompt. Choose the remote model and confirm the numeric code if the TV asks you to enter one. Make sure to complete any phone prompts too. Some Samsung remotes use the phone app as an intermediary. If so, tap the pairing button on the app to link. After pairing, test core controls like navigation, select, volume, and the YouTube TV dedicated button to ensure the remote maps correctly. This verifies both input and app focus work as expected. To finish, customize any button behavior in the TV settings and sign into YouTube TV so your profile and recommendations load. If the remote won't pair or buttons act inconsistently, unpair and reboot the TV, wait 30 seconds, then try again. Reinserting batteries often solves low power issues. Also make sure the TV firmware and YouTube TV app are updated. If problems persist, use the Samsung SmartThings app as a backup remote or retrain keys in the TV's external device settings to restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.